SITEOPS help video. How to solve when you get the error message, grade is not feasible. So let's take a look at a typical project. You got a client, they want a design of an office building, parking, and access. And the client wants the building in relationship to the existing road. But he's put some restrictions. One is that it have a driveway of no more than 3%, and you have an existing area in the back that's environmental and you're not allowed to touch it. With those constraints added, let's see how they affect grading. We hit the grading analysis button. SITEOPS is performing its grade, red is cut, blue is fill. And if we look at the building, it's moving a little bit. This is an indicator that we're most likely going to have a grade is not feasible issue. So let's look at how to solve grade is not feasible. Go under layers, your problem section, turn on slope problems. On the screen will appear red. This is telling me from the existing driveway through the site to the environmental area, the requirements are not letting me have enough slope to make this site plan work. So there's a couple ways we can solve this. Let's first look at the driveway. The driveway was only allowed to be up to 3%. Let's go in and make this 6%. May not be what the client wants, but an alternative that they can look at that I can quickly change using SITEOPS. Grading is not feasible. Indicator went away, project works. But what if the client doesn't want that? So let's look at another way to solve this problem. Let's undo and reset the grading is not feasible condition. Let's go along the back because that was the other tie-in point where there was a problem. If we look at the slopes, you can see that along that environmental section, there's a red. And what I can tell SITEOPS is, let's look at the potential of a wall. Let's click on that line and go release the link height. In other words, telling that area did not have to tie into the ground. You can put a wall up if it is needed, and make sure to look at the cheapest wall possible. So you can see the wall is not one consistent height. It tapers up, flattens out, and then tapers back down. About 5 foot in the middle. That's the best place to put the wall. We have now given the client multiple options very quickly to be able to solve the grading issue for the site plan that they are requiring.